Hello, welcome back on my channel. Today we will discuss about the leprosy. So let's start the topic. Here you see the slide. Understanding leprosy disease overview. Alright. So let's start the this presentation offer a throughout the exploration of the leprosy, its causes, symptoms, and treatment. Aim to occupy the medical students and essential knowledge of the effective diagnosis and treatment. Okay. So this lecture will be help for the medical students, ठीक है, and all essential person which is related the medical fields. All right, next slide is agenda for the leprosy overview presentation, like explore the clinical manifestation, diagnosis, treatment, and public health strategies. ठीक है, introduction to leprosy, वो an overview of the leprosy, its history है significant including medicines है, causative agent, we will talk about the causative agent, discussion on the Mycobacterium leprae and other related bacteria, also discuss clinical manifestations, exploring the symptoms and physical signs associated with the leprosy, diagnosis methods we will discuss very carefully, uh, examine diagnostic techniques such as skin biopsy and testis, treatment options. All topics will be covered in this video, as well as the public health strategy, discuss strategy for prevention, awareness, and control of leprosy. Okay, so let's start the topic. First is the leprosy. First slide is the leprosy and the definition and historical content. So understanding the disease and its historical stigma. Definition of leprosy is known as Hansen disease because discovered by the Hansen disease. It is caused Mycobacterium leprae. This is bacteria who is responsible for the leprosy as a causative agent. Second thing, leprosy infectious disease. Yeah, we know leprosy infectious disease. This disease is chronic, means persistence in, from last times, meaning at to last for a long time and require ongoing the management. All right, historical stigma is leprosy has been stigmatized, leading to isolation of those affected person. This is a very stigmatized such disease. All right, because some person has affected from the leprosy, as well as the stigmatized in the social isolation, means हमारा affected individuals often focused social exclusion and discrimination due to the misconceptions about the leprosy. ठीक है, ancient reference reference to leprosy can be found in ancient texts, highlighting its own the of histories. This is a basic concept of the leprosy. And next slide is Mycobacterium leprae, key features and transmission of the leprosy. So first characteristic of the Mycobacterium leprae, it is the acid fast bacilli affecting skin, nerves, mucosa, and eyes. Okay. My means this bacteria affected own body and so many symptoms on skins, nerves, mucosa, and eyes, and over the body. And second characteristic of the microorganism like Mycobacterium leprae, slow growth rate, and this bacterium goes slowly, necessitating prolonged treatment for the infection, because prolonged treatment here in this disease, because this bacteria have slowly growth. So next transmission of method for leprosy disease, M. leprae is spread primarily through respiratory droplets from the untreated individual persons. Which persons has untreated and have leprosy? These persons major role to play the spreading leprosy one person to another persons. Contagious Alright, this is not highly contagious. Most of people have natural immunity to this bacteria. So this is a not contagious. Only spreading the nasal mucosa and nasal mucosa like the nasal air droplets. Okay, and next slide, epidemiology of the leprosy overview analyzes the global cases and trending. Global static on the leprosy award the 2 lakhs new leprosy cases reported annually worldwide. Second, prevention in key countries in India, Brazil, Indonesia show highest leprosy prevalence rate or uh, decline incidence rates declines due to the early diagnosis and treatment. We decline rate of prevalence if we have the early diagnosis and treatment. This is the main role of the decline the prevalence rate. Second things, epidemiology is an next importance of the early diagnosis and treatment. Timely detect play a critical role in imaging leprosy cases. Okay, who persons has leprosy disease and delay in the detection and treatment. This is major role to spreading leprosy in society about contagious persons. And need for the continuous surveillance. Ongoing the surveillance is essential to the prevent and managing the outbreak. Public health efforts strategy. Public health initiative needs for the effective leprosy controls. All right. Clinical manifestation of leprosy here discuss. Uh, First, understanding the early and progressive sign of the leprosy. So, there's a classical sign of the leprosy numbness. All right, numbness in the skin area. Leprosy beginning the numb patches, or we can say the anesthetic over the affected skin. On the skin, indicating loss of the sensation. Which area affected by the leprosy has loss of sensation over the affected area. Second, muscles weakness and pains. Patient may experience muscles weakness and associate pain early symptoms. Second means next symptoms हमारे क्या होगा? Lesion, skin lesion appearance. Progressive symptoms including skin lesions may appear lighter or reddish colors. Okay, this is the main symptoms of the leprosy: numbness in skin area, muscles weakness in pains, skin lesion appearance, progressive symptoms including the skin lesion which appears red and light in color. Next, thickened dermal tissues. Severe cases can lead the thickening of dermal tissues, indicating the advanced leprosy. It may be lepromatous leprosy. Potential of deformities. In advanced stage, the deformities may occur due to the nerve damage and tissues loss. All right, Mycobacterium leprae. This is a causative agent in the leprosy. This bacteria affected nerves as well as the skin. So, if I affected nerve, that is the reason for the deformity in this disease. Okay, and next, हमारा peripheral nerve damage. Leprosy can the cause damage to peripheral nerves, leading the further complications. And next, symptoms of leprosy or clinical manifestation of leprosy. Complications from the nerve damage. Damage can lead to the ulcer, infection, complicating the patient's conditions. All right. So this is the major symptoms and clinical manifestation of the leprosy. Okay. Next, methods and technique for identifying the leprosy, exploring the clinical leprosy and immunological approaches. All right, this is a test help to detect the leprosy. First clinical test है, laboratory test है, immunological approaches है. Some tests are the identified to confirm of the leprosy. Molecular diagnostic techniques. These are used the PCR techniques significantly enhance molecular diagnosis and accuracy. A role of immunological tests such as the lepromin skin test aid to the distinguish between the lepromatous and the tuberculous leprosy forms. Okay, so this is a test for laboratory and clinically. Next, current treatment approach in the leprosy. So MDT MDT है multi drugs therapy. This is the provides for leprosy treatment. WHO recommended MDT consists the rifampicins, dapsons, and clofazimins drug salts for the leprosy treatments. Alright, treatment duration vary from 6 to 2 years. General duration 6 to 12 months. ठीक है. if a if a resistance, then this treatment will be up, ठीक है, lead to up to 2 years. Okay. What is general treatment? The guidelines are so wide at WHO 6 to 12 months. Okay. Supportive care leprosy may be supportive care include the management of the complications and rehabilitation of the disabilities. Psychological supports Psychological supports help in the social integration and individual affected by the leprosis. This is a ठीक current treatment approaches in the leprosy. Okay, now, okay, this is the last slide of the leprosy. I hope enjoying this videos. You can subscribe my channel, also share this. Okay, thank you.